Trichotillomania is a condition where individuals feel a strong urge to pull out their own hair. While it might seem unusual to those unfamiliar with it, this behavior is more common than many realize. The exact cause remains a mystery, but experts agree that it's not simply a bad habit or a lack of willpower. Instead, it's a complex disorder influenced by a mix of factors. In this video, we'll explore what researchers have discovered about why trichotillomania develops, starting with the role of genetics and family history, and moving through the psychological and biological aspects that contribute to this condition. Research suggests that trichotillomania often runs in families, especially among those with a history of obsessive-compulsive disorder, anxiety disorders, or other body-focused repetitive behaviors. This points to a genetic component, meaning some people may be more likely to develop the condition due to their family background. However, genetics alone don't tell the whole story. Environmental factors such as stressful life events or emotional difficulties can trigger or worsen symptoms. For example, someone going through a tough time at school or work might find themselves pulling hair as a way to cope with anxiety or stress. Both inherited and external influences are important in understanding why this disorder appears. Beyond genetics and environment, scientists have found that differences in the brain may also play a role in trichotillomania. Brain imaging studies show that areas involved in impulse control, habit formation, and emotional regulation function differently in people with this disorder. This means that biological factors, such as how the brain processes urges and emotions, can make it harder for someone to resist pulling hair. Psychological factors like anxiety, depression, and perfectionism can also contribute, making symptoms worse during stressful times. Understanding these brain and psychological aspects helps explain why trichotillomania is more than just a habit. It's a complex condition influenced by many layers. Summary: trichotillomania is a multifaceted condition with no single cause. It arises from a blend of genetic vulnerability, environmental stressors, brain differences, and psychological challenges. Each person's experience is unique, and the combination of these factors can vary widely. Recognizing the complexity behind trichotillomania is important for understanding and supporting those who live with it. By learning more about the causes, we can better appreciate the challenges faced by individuals with this condition and encourage compassionate, informed approaches to treatment and support.